Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some nostalgic vintage farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Nostalgic vintage farmhouse decoration is all about capturing the warmth, simplicity, and sentimental charm of the old countryside homes, blending rustic textures, antique treasures, and timeless comfort to create a cozy, story-filled space. Here is a detailed look at how to achieve that nostalgic vintage farmhouse atmosphere. First, color palette, soft and charming. Choose colors that evoke a sense of plum and ace, muted whites, creams, and soft beige. Use faded cheese green or dark egg blue. Use dusty rose, pale yellow, and faded gray. The stones create a soft, lived-in atmosphere that feels both peaceful and authentic. Next, vintage furniture with history. Use well-loved or reclaimed furniture like distressed wooden tables and cabinets, iron bed frames with chipped paint, old farmhouse dining chairs or ladderback chairs. Use Japanese dressers with antique brass handles. Each piece should tell a story. The imperfections add soul and charm. Nostalgic accents and collectibles. Incorporate items that remind you of a bygone era, like vintage clocks, rotary phones, and enamel kitchenware. Also use old suitcases, glass milk bottles, and tin sign, lace towels, hand-stitched quilts, and floral china sets. These small touches bring warmth and sentimentality. Natural textures. Layer organic materials to make the space inviting, like linen curtains, cotton throws, and burlap runners. Jute rugs and wicker baskets. Use exposed beams, rough-hewn old and weathered tones. Textures add authenticity and comfort. Farmhouse floral charm. Floral prints bring that vintage countryside romance. Use faded rose or wildflower patterns on cushions and curtains. Arrange dried flowers in glass jars or enamel pitchers. Display wildflowers or lavender in rustic vases. Warm and soft lighting. Lighting should feel cozy and nostalgic. Use warm tone bulbs or Edison light. Antique candlelights, lantern-style pendants, or wall sconces. Candles and fairy lights for soft evening glow. Wall decor and sentimental touches. Vintage portraits, sepia-toned family photos, and rustic memories. Use reclaimed old shelves with old books and heirlooms. Inspirational farmhouse sign with faded typography. Kitchen nostalgia, the heart of a nostalgic farmhouse. Display open shelves with mismatched dishes. Add a farmhouse sink, apron front style. Keep copper pans, old chairs, and enamel containers visible. Outdoor and interior term. Use old watering cans as planter. Add rocking chairs or a wooden bench to the porch. Hang a rustic wreath made of dried herbs or wildflowers. The overall feel. A nostalgic vintage farmhouse home feels like stepping into a gentle memory, where every crack, every faded color, and every old photo tells a beautiful story of simpler times. Let's go deeper into the nostalgic vintage farmhouse decoration style so you can understand its true spirit, mood, and design philosophy in detail. This style is about emotion as much as aesthetics. It is not just decorating with old things, it is about recreating the feeling of a home filled with memories, warmth, and quiet country charm. In celebrating this time of beauty, handcrafted details and stories preserved through objects. Imagine walking into a cozy old farmhouse where the scent of fresh baked bread lingers. The furniture shows signs of love and ease. The walls hold echoes of family laughter. That is the emotional essence of this style, like sentimental, soulful, and deeply personal. Design philosophy, imperfection equal beauty, fresh glasses, cheap and vivid finish, tells a story. You are not trying to make things perfect, you are embracing the perfectly imperfect. Heritage and memories items are chosen for their emotional connection, not just for looks. Maybe it is your grandmother's quilt or a flower market teacup. It is about nostalgia and continuity. Handcrafted offer, manufactured, handmade linens, old embroidery, or hand painted furniture give your home authenticity and heart. Solo living aesthetic, it is a reminder of slower, simpler time, life connected to seasons, nature, and family moments. Key elements in different space. Living room, use sleep covered sofas in neutral linens. Avoid edge within coffee table. Layered vintage rugs for warmth. Gallery walls of old photographs and botanical prints. Use a wood burning stove or brick fireplace as the centerpiece. Kitchen. Open wooden shelves displaying mismatched crockery. Use vintage thin sign and enamel utensils. Checkered or floral tablecloths. Use messengers filled with dried herbs, lentils, or flowers. And antique clocks or cast iron quickly. Bedroom, use soft cords or crocheted bed springs. Iron or wooden bed frames with patina. Lace curtains that let the morning light filter softly. Use antique bedside lamps with fabric shapes. A vintage trunk as a foot of the bed. Entryway, a rustic wooden bench for shoes, oven baskets for storage, a framed mirror with an ornate edge, hooks for hats, scarves, or a wicker umbrella stand. Bathroom is clawfoot bathtub or freestanding tubs. Baseboard walls and floral wallpaper use glass jars with bath salts and natural soaps. Soft white towels and lace-edged curtains. Signature materials oud. Use distressed oak, pine, and reclaimed barn oak, metal, aged iron, brass, and galvanized steel. Fabrics use linen, cotton, burlap, lace, and crochet. Glass and ceramics use vintage bottles, enamel art, and hand-painted tiles. Patterns and motifs. Delicate floral, gingham, and checks. Use botanical or nature-inspired prints, subtle stripes, or small polka dots. Vintage typography on wall art or fabrics. Scent, sound, and ambience. The nostalgic farmhouse experience goes beyond sight. It is sensory. Smell: fresh linen, vanilla candles, dried lavender, and wood polish. Sound: the tick of an old clock, soft folk music, or bird outside. Touch: rough wood, soft crochet, and cool ceramic surfaces. The emotional care at its heart. Nostalgic vintage farmhouse decor is about comfort, connection, and storytelling. Every corner whispers something, a memory, a feeling, and a gentle reminder of times that mattered. It is a design that says, "Welcome home." At its heart, this style is about connecting with the past, cherishing craftsmanship, solo living, and the emotional value of home. It is inspired by old countryside homes where everything was built to last and filled with care. It combines farmhouse warmth, vintage character, and sentimental storytelling, so your home feels not just decorated but lived in with love. Sentimental warmth. Every object carries a story. A cheap teacup, an old photographs, a faded floral curtains. The speeches echo emotion, nostalgia, and a sense of belonging. Timeless beauty. Instead of following trends, this style honors enduring charm. It is about pieces that have aged gracefully and still hold their charm after decades. Comfort above perfection. Coziness comes before sleekness. The goal is not to impress, but to embrace and comfort. Think of a space that welcomes you after a long day with softness and serenity. Signature design details, strays and weathered finish, furniture with crackled paint, unaged or faded patina. Doors and cabinets are show sign of years of a time. Doors and cabinets are show sign of years of a time. Hand-sanded finishes that reveal layers of color paint. These imperfections make the home feel authentic, as though it has lived through decades of love. Layered textures. Texture is the soul of nostalgic charm. You will often find a linen sofa tucked with crocheted drawers, a jute jug under a hand-painted table, ruffled cotton curtains beside wooden beams. The layers make the space feel comforting and personal. Nature-inspired accents. Farmhouse nostalgia celebrates a bond of nature, fresh or dried flowers in pictures, potted herbs in windowsills, wooden fruit crackers repurposed as shelves, botanical prints in aged frames. The connection with nature keeps the look alive and refreshing. Soft glow lighting. Vintage lighting creates mood and memory. Warm brass candles, messenger lamps, Edison bulbs, or flickering candles. Soft yellow tones that mimic evening sunlight. Light is key. It should make the space glow gently, not glare. Farmhouse kitchen soul. No nostalgic farmhouse is complete without heartwarming kitchen. Open shelving displaying heirloom dishes and glass jars. A rustic wooden table with mismatched chairs. Use floral table linens or crocheted placemats. A ceramic pitcher with fresh blooms. It feels like a space where stories and meals are shared with love. Cozy vintage bedroom. The bedroom should feel dreamy and restful. Iron bed frames with quilted or lace coverlets, antique treasures, and embroidered linens. Use soft faded tones like cream, blush, and pale blue. A reading nook with a vintage lamp and stacked books. Color harmony. The color palette is soft, muted, and edged, never bold or glossy. Base tones: cream, ivory, warm white, and taupe. Accents: soft shades, faded rose, musty blue, and weathered gray. Details: touches of antique gold or brushed brush. The shades feel like colors faded by sunlight and time, gentle, nostalgic, and poetic. Reclaimed and vintage finds. A major part of the charm comes from collecting and repurposing old farm tools turned into decor. Vintage suitcases used as side tables, reclaimed barn doors as wall art or headboards, antique mirrors that reflect candlelight beautifully. Each item contributes history, texture, and a feeling of discovery. The deeper meaning. Nostalgic vintage farmhouse decor is not only about the style, it is about memory, emotion, and preservation. It teaches the beauty lies in the passage of time and the marks of life. It is a gentle resistance to the modern world does, a reminder that home is what time slows down and lives lingers. Why it feels so special, the nostalgic vintage farmhouse design appeals deeply because it offers a break from modern minimalism and technology. A sense of belonging and heritage, a visual and emotional connection to simpler, purer times, a reminder that true beauty lies in care, craft, and memory. It is not just interior design, it is an atmosphere of love, peace, and nostalgia. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.